everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing. Well, I already unboxed it. I'm sorry, I already unboxed it. But I'm going to be unboxing everything that I'm going to be using for my... Who texted me? Anyways, I'm going to be unboxing everything that I'm going to be using for my silk press. Everything is already here, so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all everything. And yeah, so the first thing we're gonna start with are the flat irons, the heat protectant, and then the shine spray, and then my silicone light. Yeah, that's what we're gonna start with first. So this is the flat iron that I am going to be using for my silk press. It is by Janay Mickles. Janay Mickles is a stylist as well as a YouTuber on YouTube as well. So she has her own flat iron as well as her heat protectant. And this, okay, so she has two flat irons. It's the orange one, and then she has this one. The orange one is automatic shut off. I believe that's the only difference. Yeah, I think that's the only difference. But the orange one is automatic shut off. So... and that one was sold out, but this was only $80. So I was like, oh, $80, you got me hype. And then I watched some videos of her actually using this flat iron as well. So it does a really good job, and sometimes she alternates depending on how she feels, you know, whatever. But yeah, this is by Janay Mickles. She is on YouTube here as well. This is her flat iron, her own flat iron. It's titanium. And it just looks, these mirror plates are just nothing to play with. Like, they're really not. And she has this tattoo on her shoulder. So yeah, it's really personal, if that makes sense, you know. And yeah, it's real cute. It goes up to, but yeah, it's real cute. It goes up to $450. And that is the setting that I will be using when I do straighten my hair. If y'all don't know, my birthday is June 29th. I'm going to be straightening my hair June 29th. Well, I'm going to be straightening my hair for my birthday. I'm turning 23. So wish me happy birthday in the comment section. I think my birthday is in what? 6 days. My birthday is in 6 days. So yeah, this is the flat iron that I will be using to straighten my hair. So yeah. And then this is the silicone mat that I bought on Amazon. It's just a little silicone mat to put my flat irons in, and something to like lay the flat irons on when I do flat iron my hair. So I'm just gonna put those in there. Okay, so boom. And then this is her heat protectant. So this is still by Janay Mickles. This is her heat protectant. And this is the only thing that she uses on her clients. I've watched all of her videos down to the T. This is the only thing that she uses when she blow dries, and then she don't put nothing else on there, on the hair. So yeah, she just sprays this all over, and then she blow dries, and then she goes straight into straightening, and boom, you have a good silk press. So this is really nice. It's really, you know, liquidy. Okay. And again, you have the cat on there as well. Really cute. And yeah, I just like it. And this was, so the flat irons was $80 and this was $15. So the whole total came up to like 112 or something like that. 112, I think. I'm not sure if I paid for shipping. I don't know. It was a long time ago. I don't remember paying. I don't know, but my whole total for these two items was 112, which is pretty good for a flat iron. Okay. Now, the next thing is, it comes from Deeper Than Hair collection. So Deeper Than Hair, she is also a stylist and things like that. She has her own hair care line, and she has her own flat iron as well, but her flat iron is $120. And then when I looked at it, they were sold out. And she also has a hair serum, a heat protectant as well, but her heat protectant was sold out. So yeah, I couldn't get it. But this is the Brilliant Glass Shine Spray. So you put this on after your silk press. Like, you spray it and then it'll give you some shine and nice sheen to your hair and make it look all glossy and shiny and stuff like that. So that's what I actually want. So that's why I got it. And the name of the collection is Sheer Genius Collection. And this is the Brilliant Shine Spray. A lot comes in here. This is 8 ounces and this was 21. I actually ripped the, like, hold on, let me just wait a minute. I'm trying to put it together. Okay, so my subtotal was $21 plus shipping. Shipping is $8, so the total came up to $29. So yeah, that is the Brilliant Shine Spray and my heat protectant that I'm going to be using on my hair. A lot comes in here. I'm not sure if you can use this on natural hair, but I don't think this would hurt, because sometimes I can't really, it's so see-through, I can't see the dirt. Okay, use on wet or dry hair before and after styling. Perfect for any hair type. Whole bottle, 10 to 12 inches from hair. Respray when needed to restore shine and elegance. She uses this on silk presses only, but I may do a video where I try to use this on my natural hair. I'm just saying, who knows. But yeah, this is the Deeper Than Hair. Is so cute and you can just see through it. The packaging, like, it's so nice. And this is lightweight as well, as you can see. Like, it's really lightweight, it's not thick, and that's what you want when you have a silk press. You want lightweight products, as well as the heat protectant, as well as the heat protectant is really lightweight. You don't want any heavy products when you're going to silk press your hair. So yeah, those are all my products. I'm showing y'all my flat iron, my heat protectant, as well as my shine spray. And so now we're going to tell my curls we'll see them later, because we definitely will. Okay, I have really thick hair. So yeah, we're gonna tell my curls we'll see you later, because we're gonna see you later, you know. But yeah, for my hair, for my birthday, I just want my hair straightened, and I don't think there's anything wrong with that. And so yeah, stay tuned for that video. I'm going to be using Miss Janay Mickles flat iron and the Deeper Than Hair collection. But yeah, so I guess that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, make sure you comment down below, what did you do for your 23rd birthday? I want to know. What was y'all doing? Was y'all getting wild? Was y'all in the house? What was y'all doing on your 23rd birthday? Because I'm finna be 23. So, you feel me? I want to know what y'all gonna be doing. But yeah, the shipping, I do want to talk about the shipping. This shipping, it took about 6 days, because I ordered it on the weekend. So of course, you know, it got to be processed and stuff like that. I ordered it on the weekend. It took about 6 days to get to me. This shipping was quick. It took about this took about 6 days, probably. Well, 6 days to get to me from ordering to shipping it to my house. And I live in California. This came from Virginia and this came from Philadelphia. So y'all know Virginia and Philadelphia, they over here. California is here. It had to come all the way here to Los Angeles. So that's a long way. If y'all, you know what I'm saying, that's a long way. So for me, I feel like the shipping was pretty much great. If I would have had it sent to Georgia, I feel like it would have took a little bit shorter because the states are closer. Does that make sense? The states is closer. But yeah, it came to California, came to LA, good, decent. Everything is, you know, nice and, you know, look good and nothing's damaged, anything like that. So yeah, I'm done talking y'all ear off. Say to my curls, you will see them later. Don't say goodbye, because y'all, they coming right back. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow Janay Mickles on YouTube. Subscribe to her channel, Janay Mickles. And then make sure you follow Deeper Than Hair on YouTube as well. Subscribe to her, Deeper Than Hair. They both have, well, I'm not gonna say they both have well, okay, yeah, because I was gonna say they both have amazing products, but I haven't used them yet, so I don't really know. But from what I have seen on both of their channels, they do bomb shit, you feel me? So yeah, we just gonna say they got bomb products. Like, I trust them. So yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.